Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Telegram connecting problem. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your Telegram connecting problem, what you can do is first open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, now what you can do is just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. And after tapping on the three bar icon, now what you can do is just tap on settings, and inside your settings you can find this option which is advanced. So just tap on advanced, and in the first option you can find data and storage, and then you can find your connection type. So if your connection type is set to default, what you have to do is just change it to user system proxy settings, and after changing that you just have to close it or just apply your proxy. So mine is already applied, so I'll just close it. And after closing it, now what you have to do is you have to check if something is downloading in your background. So if something is downloading in your Telegram, it might cause some connection issues. So just tap on settings, and inside your advanced settings you can find this downloads. Just tap on it and then check if something is downloading. So if it is, you can just pause it and then check if it's working and your connection is better. So if it still does not fix your problem, then what you have to do is just close your Telegram, and after closing your Telegram, search for settings, and inside your settings head over to your apps and then tap on install apps, and inside your installed apps you have to search for Telegram. After searching for Telegram, here you can find Telegram desktop. What you have to do is just tap on the three dotted icon which is beside Telegram desktop, and then tap on advanced settings, and then tap on advanced options. And after tapping on advanced option, now what you have to do is just scroll down, and here you can find this section which is reset, and inside that what you can do is just reset and repair your Telegram. So just tap on repair, and by tapping on repair it will fix any issues or problems from your Telegram application. And then you just have to reset your Telegram and then tap on reset. And now try to use your Telegram and then check if you are still facing some connection problems. This will basically fix your most of the issues, but if it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just tap on terminate. So just terminate your Telegram application, and after terminating your Telegram, what you can do is just tap on uninstall, and after tapping on uninstall you just have to reinstall your Telegram, and after doing that you'll fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Telegram connecting issues. This is how to fix Telegram connecting problems. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.